Now let's finally discuss the importance of keeping VAT records. What is the use? What is the importance of keeping accurate VAT records? One is for accurate tax returns. To facilitate accurate tax returns. Keeping VAT records ensures correct calculation of output tax, input tax, and net VAT liability. Another reason is that these records can be proof for input tax claims. Proof for input tax claims. Without valid records, especially proper tax invoices, input tax claims will be disallowed, leading to increased VAT payable. 3. Audit readiness. These records facilitate smooth KRA audits and reduces the likelihood of disputes, penalties, and additional assessments. Another importance or reason is burden. Is it burden of proof? Proof. Yes. Under the Tax Procedures Act, the burden of proving that a tax assessment is incorrect lies with the taxpayer. So without sufficient supporting documentation, it becomes difficult to challenge KRA's assessments. Then another obvious reason is for financial management. That is another reason why, if you are a VAT registered person, should maintain proper records, is for financial management. These records provides clear financial insights for business decision making, for tracking profitability, and even cash flows. 6. These records can help a registered taxpayer, VAT person, to avoid penalties. Avoidance of penalties. Failure to maintain proper records is an offense that attracts significant penalties. For example, we have 10% of tax payable, or even 100,000 shillings, whichever is higher. So that is all candidates for VAT records. In this lesson, we've identified the types of records. We've also seen that the format of VAT records should be in physical form or electronic form. The VAT records should also be maintained for at least 5 years. We've seen why these records can or should be made available for inspection by KRA officials. We've seen the importance of consistency and reconciliation, and e-Teams compliance. In this lesson, again, we've identified 6 reasons why keeping proper VAT records is critical. One is to account for tax returns. It may be used as proof for input tax claims. These records help the taxpayer be ready for audits. Okay, it is also the burden of proof lies with the VAT registered person. 5 is just for financial management and also avoidance of penalties. Thank you for attending the lesson. We will meet in our next session where we continue to learn more on value-added tax in Kenya.